Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of English Chat Cafe. I'm your host, Lisa.
And I'm Paul. Hey there, friends. It's so nice to have you here with us today.
Yes, thank you for joining us. Whether you're walking, cooking, or just relaxing, we're happy you're learning English with us.
Today's episode is really special. We're going to talk about something that can make your life happier and more peaceful. And it's a simple word, gratitude.
Exactly. Gratitude means being thankful or feeling thankful for the good things in your life, even small things.
Right? So, the title of today's episode is The Power of Gratitude in Everyday Life.
This means we'll talk about how saying thank you or feeling thankful can change the way you see the world.
And of course, we'll help you learn lots of useful English phrases, words, and sentences that you can use every day.
Yes, we'll keep it slow, clear, and fun so you can understand everything, even if you're a beginner.
So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, relax, and stay with us till the end. You'll feel happier, and your English will be better too.
All right, let's start. So, Paul, let's start simple. What is gratitude?
Good question. Gratitude is the feeling of being thankful. For example, when someone helps you and you say thank you, that's gratitude.
Yes, but it's more than just saying thank you. It's also feeling thankful inside your heart.
Exactly. You can feel gratitude for many things, for your family, your friends, your health, or even for a sunny day.
That's true. Sometimes I feel thankful when I wake up and have a nice warm cup of coffee in the morning.
Yes, coffee can definitely make us grateful.
Totally.
So, let's help our listeners practice. Can you say it with us? I am grateful for.
Good. Try again. I am grateful for.
Now, add something small. For example, I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my morning coffee.
Nice job. You can practice this sentence every morning. It's very good English practice and good for your mood.
Let's explain some words.
Okay, the first word is grateful. It means thankful. Example, I am grateful for my friends.
Right, and the noun form is gratitude. For example, gratitude makes me happy.
Next, we have appreciate. It means to understand and enjoy the good things you have. Example, I appreciate your help.
Yes. When you appreciate something, you feel thankful for it.
And one more word, blessing. A blessing means something good in your life. Example, my family is a blessing.
Nice. So, let's repeat these words together, okay, listeners? Grateful,
Grateful,
gratitude,
gratitude,
appreciate,
appreciate,
blessing.
blessing. Great. You're doing amazing.
So, Lisa, why do you think gratitude is so important?
I think gratitude helps us feel happy even when life is not perfect.
Yes, that's true. When we focus on what we have, we stop worrying about what we don't have.
Exactly. For example, sometimes people say, I don't have a big house or I don't have a new phone. But if we say, I'm thankful for my home or I'm thankful I have a phone that works, we start feeling better.
Right. Gratitude changes your focus from what's missing to what's already there.
That's beautiful, Paul. And you know what? Many studies say that people who practice gratitude are healthier and sleep better.
Wow, I like that. So, gratitude is good for your mind and body.
Yes, and it's free. Anyone can practice it.
That's the best part. Free happiness.
Let's talk about how we can show gratitude in daily life.
Good idea. Okay, first example. When someone holds the door for you.
You can say, thank you or thanks a lot.
Yes. And if you want to sound extra polite, you can say, that's very kind of you.
Perfect. Another example, when your friend helps you with your homework.
You can say, I really appreciate your help.
Or, you're such a good friend.
Nice. And if someone gives you a gift, you can say, thank you so much. I love it.
Yes, adding emotion makes your English sound more natural.
Exactly. So let's repeat these together.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your help. That's very kind of you.
Great job. You sound very polite already.
Let's take a short grammar moment.
Sure.
When you want to say you're thankful, you can use this structure, I am grateful for plus noun,
For example, I am grateful for my family.
or I am grateful for my job.
If you want to use a verb, you can say, I am grateful to plus verb. For example, I am grateful to have good friends.
Exactly. So for is used with things or people and to is used with verbs.
Simple and clear. Nice job, Lisa.
Ha ha ha. Thanks, Teacher Paul.
Now, Lisa, sometimes life is hard. What about gratitude when things go wrong?
That's a good question. Even in bad times, we can find something to be thankful for.
Like what?
For example, if you're sick, you can still be thankful that you have doctors to help you. Or if you lose something, you can still be thankful for what you have left.
Yes. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means looking for the good, even when life is hard.
Exactly. And that helps us stay strong and positive.
Listeners, let's try a small exercise. Think about something difficult in your life. Now, try to find one small thing you can be thankful for.
It can be anything, a person, a lesson you learned, or even your favorite song that helps you feel better.
That's the power of gratitude.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence and you can repeat after me. Ready?
Yes,
I am grateful for my life.
I am grateful for my health.
I am grateful for my friends.
I am grateful for today.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Let's try some short conversations.
Sure.
Example 1. A. Hey, how are you? B. I'm good, thanks. I'm feeling grateful today.
Example 2, A. Why are you smiling? B. Because I'm thankful for this beautiful day.
Example 3. A. Do you ever keep a gratitude journal? B. Yes. I write 3 things I'm thankful for every night.
That's a great habit.
Now let's talk about how gratitude is part of American culture.
Yes. In the U.S., people often say thank you many times a day, even for small things.
That's true. For example, when someone gives you your coffee at a cafe, you say thank you.
Or when someone lets you go first in line, you say thanks.
It's very common, and it shows good manners.
Exactly. And we also have a big holiday called Thanksgiving.
Ah, yes, Thanksgiving. It's a special day in November when families come together, eat delicious food, and share what they're thankful for.
Yes, it's a beautiful tradition. People usually say what they're grateful for, like family, health, or friends.
And they eat a lot of turkey.
Haha. True. Turkey, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, all delicious.
So, listeners, if you ever visit the U.S., you'll hear thank you a lot. And you can say it too. It makes people feel good.
Let's talk about how our listeners can practice gratitude in their daily lives.
Sure, one easy way is to write a gratitude journal.
Yes, every day write 3 things you're thankful for.
For example, I'm grateful for my morning coffee. I'm grateful for my friend's message. I'm grateful for my cozy bed.
That's perfect. When you write it every day, you start to notice more good things around you.
Exactly. Another way is to say thank you more often.
Yes, even small things. Thank your bus driver, thank your teacher, thank your friend.
It spreads positive energy.
You can also take a deep breath in the morning and just say, thank you for this new day.
That's a great start to the day. And it's simple English practice too.
Paul, can I share a short story?
Of course.
So, I once met a man who lost his job. He was very sad, but every morning, he wrote one thing he was thankful for, like his wife, his home, or his health. After a few weeks, he said he felt happier, even before finding a new job.
That's amazing. Gratitude really changes how we feel inside.
Yes, it helps us see life in a more positive way.
I also have a story.
Let's hear it.
My neighbor's an old lady who always smiles. One day I asked her, "Why are you always so happy?" And she said, "Because every morning I say thank you for one more beautiful day."
Oh, that's lovely.
It really touched me. Gratitude doesn't make life perfect, but it makes life beautiful.
Okay, everyone, let's review some important words from today.
Repeat after us. Grateful,
Grateful,
gratitude,
gratitude,
appreciate,
appreciate,
blessing,
blessing,
thankful,
thankful,
kindness.
kindness. Perfect. And remember these phrases.
I am grateful for, I appreciate your help. That's very kind of you. I'm thankful for today.
Say them often. They'll make your English smoother and your heart happier.
Time for a fun quiz. Are you ready?
Let's see how much you remember.
Question 1. What does the word gratitude mean? A. Being angry. B. Being thankful. C. Being tired.
Easy one. It's B, being thankful.
Correct. Next, what do you say when someone helps you?
You say thank you or I appreciate your help.
Nice. And last one. What holiday in the U.S. celebrates gratitude?
That's Thanksgiving.
Good job, everyone. You're awesome.
Before we end, let's practice one last time together.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us slowly. I am grateful for my life.
I am grateful for my life.
I am grateful for my family.
I am grateful for my family.
I am grateful for my health.
I am grateful for my health.
I am grateful for my friends.
I am grateful for my friends.
I am grateful for today.
I am grateful for today. Beautiful. You sound great.
Now, say this. I choose to be thankful every day.
Perfect. That's a powerful sentence.
Here's a small tip. When you write emails or messages in English, you can show gratitude easily.
Yes. For example, at the end of an email you can write, "Thank you for your time," or "Thanks for your help."
And when someone gives you feedback or advice, say, I really appreciate your suggestion.
That sounds polite and natural in American English.
Another tip. When you get a gift, you can write a small thank you note. It's common in American culture.
Yes. It's a simple way to show your appreciation.
And don't forget to smile when you say thank you. It's the best part of the language.
So, friends, today we talked about gratitude, what it means, why it's important, and how to practice it every day.
We also learned some useful English words and sentences you can use to express thanks.
Remember, gratitude is not just about words, it's about your heart.
Yes, and it can really make your life happier, calmer, and more positive.
So practice gratitude every day, and your English too.
Haha, that's right.
Thank you so much for listening to English Chat Cafe.
We're so grateful for you, our listeners.
Don't forget to follow our podcast and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And remember, every day is a good day to be thankful.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Fucking around, I keep right on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by